Busy dads, 2026 is about getting control of your health and your fitness, not just for you, but for your kids too. So I have a challenge for you. How many Navy Seal burpees can you do in 5 minutes? Please, once you've completed the challenge, let me know in the comment section below how many you completed. I'm gonna do it with you now. 5 minutes of Navy Seal burpees. Let's see how many we can do. 1. 2. Hi there, while he's busy with that, I just wanted to record this quickly to say thank you so much for checking out this video. And also I wanted to give you a bit of an idea about this challenge and why I'm setting it today. So as a busy dad of 2, I get it. It's not easy to stay in shape. It's not easy to find time to exercise. And also, I mean, where do you start? So I wanted to set this challenge to show you that you can do one simple exercise that's great for your body, you know, from a strength training perspective and a cardio perspective that doesn't even need that much space. I mean, if you check that guy out there, I'm doing it in my front room in a corner next to the sofa. So that just goes to show you don't need a lot of space to do a Navy Seals burpee like this. Now this is a really intense exercise. You can do it daily, but it'll probably tire you out, especially if you're not used to doing it. But again, it's really good for strength building and cardio. You don't need a lot of space. You can do this exercise anywhere. You can do it in the comfort of your own home, and it's just great for your health. So please, if you've enjoyed this video, please drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also, once you've completed this challenge, let me know in the comment section below how many you did. Thank you very much. 11. Come on. 12. 13. Come on. 14. 15. 16. 17. Come on. 18. Come on. Yes. 18. Come on. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. Come on, a minute and a half to go. 26. 27. Come on, man. 28. 29. See if we get to 35. Come on. 30. 31. 32, come on. 33. Come on. 35. Whoa. All right, so yeah, 35 Navy Seal burpees in 5 minutes. Let me know in the comment section after you complete this challenge, how many Navy Seal burpees did you do in 5 minutes? Don't forget, please like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.